All eyes will be on the skies on January 7, 2009. That's when Continental Airlines conducts the first sustainable biofuels demonstration flight in North America. Continental is working together with Boeing, GE Aviation, CFM International, Honeywell's UOP, Sapphire Energy, and TerraSol to develop viable jet fuel solutions for the aviation industry. The demo flight represents the first time biofuels will be used to power a twin-engine aircraft. Continental takes environmental responsibility seriously by purchasing newer, energy-efficient aircraft, installing blended winglets on existing airplanes, and switching to electric ground service equipment. Continental is 35% more fuel efficient for every mile a customer flies than we were 10 years ago.
Well, we have a very strong commitment to the environment. We work very hard every day to minimize our impact on the environment, and so doing this flight test is just an extension of that commitment to the environment, to show that there's another option to petroleum-based fuels that might have environmental benefits as well as provide an extra sense of energy security.
Tail number 516, a next-generation Boeing 737-800, will take off from Bush Intercontinental with a 50-50 blend of jet fuel and biofuel in one of the two CFM 56-7 engines. UOP, a leading technology developer for the refining industry and pioneer in developing renewable fuel technology, is providing the specially blended biofuel mixture for the January flight. This fuel has been tested and proven in both military and commercial applications to meet all critical specifications for flight.
The biofuel sources that we chose is a combination of algae and jatropha. We chose algae because it has a very high energy content, can be grown just about anywhere, and takes in carbon dioxide as it grows. We chose jatropha because it's a plant that's not a food source and it takes very little water as it grows. And so together it makes a very good combination.
In addition, Continental selected this biofuel solution because it's considered a drop-in fuel.
A drop-in fuel is an alternative fuel or a biofuel that can be used exactly like a Jet A fuel that we use currently, like petroleum-based. And the algae jatropha biofuel blend that we'll be using in our flight test is a drop-in fuel. In other words, we have to make no changes to our existing aircraft at all. That's very important. So we have an alternative fuel source to use in the existing aircraft around the world.
The demonstration flight is another step taken by Continental and its aviation partners to decrease dependence on fossil fuels, reduce our carbon footprint, and develop a viable long-term alternative fuel strategy for the company as well as the airline industry.